Hey guys, I am going to do something a little different for you today. I got both my Popsugar and my FabFitFun boxes within like a week of each other. So I'm actually going to compare the two. If you're like me, you look online, you look at all the boxes and everything. So I'm going to show you side by side and kind of go over like how much they cost and the value of each box and all that. So, all right. Sit tight. Let's get started. So, Popsugar used to be a monthly box, but in the past year they switched to doing quarterly, just like FabFitFun. So they're on the same time schedule, so they come about the same time every year or every quarter. Popsugar is a bit more expensive. They are, I wrote this all down so I could tell you. They are $75 a quarter, or if you pay a yearly annual subscription, it comes to $270 for the Popsugar. FabFitFun over here, this one is $50 a quarter, or $180 if you pay up front for the whole year. FabFitFun definitely has more choices, so you can customize it more. Popsugar this month, or this quarter, only had the necklaces that you could say silver or gold. So less customization, more expensive. FabFitFun, cheaper, but you get to pick more of your own stuff. So this time they both had blankets. So they kind of, I don't know, they're kind of similar. So I'm going to show you the two blankets. This first one is from the Popsugar box. It is made by Uncommon James. It is a really beautiful throw type blanket. You can see the quality. It's got this nice thick fabric, tassels on the ends. It's really pretty. This blanket alone is valued at $118, and this is out of the Popsugar box. It's beautiful. I am really, really excited about this one. The one in FabFitFun kind of was a letdown. It's still really pretty. And so this is FabFitFun's blanket, and it comes in two different colors. So it's smaller, two-tone, and it's a lot thinner and just doesn't feel as nice. It's nice and soft. It's a little bit smaller. This blanket's valued at $50. So definitely a big difference there. I prefer the Popsugar blanket over the FabFitFun. But they're both nice quality. But Popsugar definitely wins in that category. As far as the number of items in each box, let's see. The Popsugar has 7 items that count towards the value, and they had 3 extras thrown in the box. And then the FabFitFun had 9 items in it. I will say, with the box, the actual, like, if you guys are a big fan of what they come in, the Popsugar box seems more luxurious to me. It's got this nice, like, open it for you. It has this nice magnet. Closes really pretty. Just seems more expensive and luxurious. The FabFitFun box is definitely more colorful. They have a different artist and designer do each quarter. So it's made out of cardboard. So style-wise, this one's prettier, but Popsugar has, I don't know, just feels more expensive, which I guess it is. Okay, let's go into what was in each box. The Popsugar box, I added up with the how much it would cost. So since there's not as much customization in this box, every box is the same price as value-wise. So this one is $357 with the items that they consider of value. And I added up the extras in here as well, and that's an extra $55. So that's almost $400 worth of value in the Popsugar box. The FabFitFun box, which, like I said, has 9 items in it. This one I added up kind of the low to the high range depending on what you got for your customization. So this one ranges between, I can't get the cardboard too close. Okay, this one ranges between $2.90 and $3.35. So not as much value in this box, but you're also not paying as much for this box. I think that's all I wanted to really tell you about price-wise. So let's go into what was actually in each one. So I'll start with the FabFitFun. So first was this blanket, and my customizations, I got, this is bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is a jewelry portfolio for when you're traveling, so you can actually like put your earrings and necklaces and all that in here and zip it up. Because right now I throw everything into a like makeup bag and they get all tangled. So I'm gonna take this with me when I travel for Christmas. The next thing, my customization, you could pick a bunch of stuff or you could have them choose for you. This is a headband and gloves by Bear Paw. So there's those, and I got these because I'm always taking Mac out. And he just got neutered today, so he's kind of laying on the floor. So you probably won't see him during this video. Yeah. Celebrated his 2nd birthday on Wednesday, and then got neutered, so not a very good week for him. Sorry, bub. Yeah. Okay. Third thing, they have these essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. I don't have a diffuser, so I will have to get one, or I will have to gift these. So there it is. That's the eucalyptus. And this is one of the customization things, so it could have been something else. I should probably tell you what they could be. Okay. Next in the box. So one of their selection items, they sent a little card. I think I don't have that card anymore, but they said like the standard of quality wasn't up to what they wanted. So they didn't put them in the boxes, and they were like wooden drink coasters. Not gonna lie, I do not need another set of drink coasters. So the fact that they gave us mascara and a sponge nail instead, not mad about it. So I appreciate them like putting that in the box, so I wasn't wondering like why I just had this other random stuff in here. Would rather use this than drink coasters, to be honest. So way to go, FabFitFun. Next thing in there are these under eye masks. If you guys have used them, you know, they just like sit down here to plump this up and hydrate and all that kind of stuff. And then there is an eyeshadow palette, which is really pretty. It is by Pure. So they're like really basic colors that I would actually use. Sometimes these palettes that they give you in these boxes are so bold, which I guess I'm just not bold enough to use them, so I end up like swapping them or getting rid of them anyway. So I really appreciate that these are just really basic colors that I could use all year. So I love that. Two other things. Hydration cream mask. I have the lotion that I got in a box, I want to say in the spring, and I really like the lotion that I'm all out of. So I'm excited to try their cream mask. And then this is a highlighting stick. Bring that out. So that's what that is. That is a highlighting stick. It says you can use it on your brows and your inner of your eyes, you know, the inner corner of your eyes or wherever. So I'm excited to try that. I probably should have tried it before I did this video, but I was too busy messing with the dog and all that kind of stuff. Had a wax this morning, so I have been up and about. Okay, so that is everything that was in the FabFitFun box. And if you've seen my other videos, you already know I'm kind of biased because I love Popsugar. Like, they impress me every time I get a box. So, let me show you what was in that box. Although FabFitFun did a really great job this time, I will say that. Love the jewelry portfolio. I'm excited to use that. So, okay. It's heavier. Okay, so on to what's in the Popsugar box. So the Popsugar also has extra items in here. I didn't really add up the value. They don't give you anything with the value in it. Okay. So, first of all, like I said, this blanket, which is valued at $118. And then there is a candle. And it's not like, let me open it. It's a really nice candle. Tobacco Blossom. So it's not the most typical smelling. I'm not even sure how to describe that. But, you know, it's in a nice, simple white. Goes with anybody's decor. You can gift this. Like I said, Tobacco Blossom is not, I really don't know how to describe it. It's not very flowery or tobacco-y, so I don't know. Okay. That's an extra. We also came with under eye, you know, things like that. So I feel like now that Popsugar is also going on the quarterly subscription basis, I think they're competing a lot, probably, because, I don't know, I'm seeing a lot of the same types of goods in each box, and they've been doing this for about a year now, and I think every time there's at least one or two things that are the same, just by different brands in each box. That over there. And they included this desk calendar. So I expected somebody to put a calendar in here. And this is by Kate Spade. And they have a whole thing about, you know, Kate Spade and her life and everything. Okay, let me pull this out. This is really, really cute. So each month has a little page. And it can sit on your desk just like that. And when you take it off, it has a word of the month. So that is neat. And you can just slide it on and off. There's no year on here, but obviously the days and everything are different every year, so you can't really reuse it. So let me put that off to the side. The one thing that was customizable in this box was this necklace, and this necklace is valued at $98. So you could pick either silver or gold, and I had on there that they can surprise me because it doesn't really matter which one I got. So here it is. See that? It's really pretty. I didn't know which one I wanted, so I can double it. Maybe if I can get my big head through there. Okay. So you can do single or you can do double. It's really pretty. See if I can actually get it off here in a little bit. So nice for the holidays. Kind of simple. Could gift it. I'm a big fan of anything, you know, gifting things to other people, because how much stuff do I really need? And then they also put a eyeshadow palette in their box, and this is by Winky Lux. This one I think I'm going to be less likely to actually use. The packaging is really cute. If I can get it out. Okay, so here's the packaging, and it has kind of more bold, sparkly colors to it, but they're all Christmas, I shouldn't say all Christmas theme, like frosting and cake batter and cherry pie. So I guess they're all like food named colors. So there they are. I'm going to be less likely to use this one. So I would like to say I'm going to do purple glitter, but even when I went to the Kesha concert, I still didn't use it, and I probably should have. I was way too dressed. Like, I don't know. You don't realize how old you feel until you go to something like that, and then you're like, oh my god, why did their parents let them out with nothing on? And I don't even have kids, and I feel like that. So the last item in this box that they actually count towards their value is this Whiskey in a Teacup, this book by Reese Witherspoon. And this is a beautiful book. Like, it has recipes, but also is like about her life and growing up Southern. So really nice pictures. It's a hard book. I love this. I really do. I'm excited. Like, if I had an end table, like end table books, I would definitely put this on there. I think I'm just gonna read it and maybe gift it. I don't know. We'll see. But I really like that. And as far as their extra items, they also gave essential oils, and this one is for jet lag. I'm just showing you the packaging because when I just got back from Tokyo, and I took this on the flight and used it. So that's not actually in there. They also did a little rolly perfume. And this is Beautiful Belle. And the last thing in their box are eye drops. So I also took this with me on the plane because, I don't know, planes make everything dry. Like, my throat's dry, my eyes are dry, everything. My sister works for the airlines, so she wanted to take a trip. So we did 3 days in Tokyo. So it was a really crazy 3 days. I feel like I almost needed it more this week now that I've been back than when I was actually there, because jet lag, oh my god, I didn't think it was going to hit me. But Wednesday, I got home from work and I went straight to bed. So I was just looking for the necklace to put it away. Guess I'm wearing it. Okay, so that is what was in each box. And so which one's better? You know, they both have a lot of similar items. The value, there's more value in the Popsugar box. I feel like their items, there's less items, but they're better quality. FabFitFun is a cheaper box, but they have more things. And I don't know. This time I feel like Popsugar, you guys know Popsugar has always been my favorite. I think it's the blankets that did it for me. Like, the quality between the two. I know there's a huge price difference between the two. Like, this one's only valued at $50 and this one's $118. But I think that kind of did it for me. I would love to hear your thoughts on your boxes, or if you want to hear anything else about any of these products, definitely let me know. Like and subscribe. I want to keep doing these videos for you, so I would love the support. And if you guys just have any comments about anything, go ahead and comment below, shoot me a message. I am always available. And I wish Mac would have got up here and showed you his face, but like I said, he just got neutered, so he's not very happy with me. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great end of your December. Get to shopping or whatever else you need to do. And safe travels. I will be seeing you guys next year. Bye.